What's up with you young finesses now? We got a good video coming for y'all. Y'all enjoy it. Smash the like button, leave a comment, and share, and subscribe. Nigga, what if you're not doing that, what is you doing? If you watching my video, if I'm getting like 400 videos and only got a, man, y'all about to make me Nah, look, before we get to that, how y'all like the fit? It's a white boy style, you feel me, man? But look, I got a new whip, you feel me? I'm going crazy. Let me take you a tour. You see the Lexus? Red is my favorite color. Bullin'. Hell no, we ain't coolin'. Huh. You see the I gotta wash it up, you feel me? I gotta wash it up and stuff. But look at the wood grain interior and stuff. Wood grain. How I look? I just be, I'll pull up on you. Oh, I'll pull up on y'all like that. You feel me? I'll pull up on y'all like that. I'm telling you. I'll fuck your baby mama in there. No, I'm just playing. Let me stop. But look. Trunk, go hard. Everything go hard. And it's just, I'm that guy. Simple. Yeah. Give me the keys, man. Huh? You done cleaning it, right? I was just getting to the wheel. Nigga, you ain't even started on the hood. I ain't got no equipment. No. What the fuck is this? You got a whole bucket of water out here with a sponge in it. Yeah.
Get the cleaning so I can goddamn go to work.
Am I still gonna get my ride?
Ride?
Get my ride.
Ride?
Yeah.
Nigga, you ain't asked me for no ride?
Yes, I did.
Bro, clean the car, bro. It's hot as fuck out here. Clean the car. Do it.
But I gotta go to my grandma.
Your grandma's? Yeah. What your grandma got to do with cleaning
I ain't
the
got
car?
internet and I need to install that Fortnite, the new update.
The new update?
The new update.
Nigga, you better update up on my car, nigga. Clean that shit, boy. I ain't playing with you, boy. What you was doing out here for a whole hour?
Huh?
What was you doing out here
I was taking Instagram pictures.
What the fuck? You was out here on Instagram?
Yes.
What the fuck you on Instagram for if you supposed to be cleaning the car?
Okay, thank you. What's up with y'all? Y'all see I took an L. I just wanted to flex for y'all for a new car, but it went wrong, man. But hey, good thing I got paid a couple dollars for it, man. Sight, you already know what we doing, man. It's not over, man. That's chump change, man. We going crazy. That is my car, cause you know what? I beat him up, took the key. Nah, I'm flexing. But we out, y'all. Hey, season 2 of the Cater Finesse coming soon. Season 1 is over.